I'm not sure if empathetic AI is ready to be used at the collective. A virtual friendship or AI assistance that actually tries to replace human relationships. I'm not sure if this could be widely applied before being evaluated. So there is a trend with empathetic AI, so AI and agents that they're going to pretend to be your friends somehow. And I think that this is very interesting. I think it reflects a lot of things about our modern societies and isolation. I think it's a phenomenon. I can see AI as a mirror of our society.
Weakening families and that.
So why do we need these empathetic agents?
Where our social connections are weakening because of the technology, probably.
Yes, so I think we must be very careful with that. And of course, issues of justice, of security, I think that critical is that the healthcare is domain should be treated with caution.
So this is getting closer to the end, and I just wanted to ask, I've been asking everybody, what do you think makes us human in a world when we're teaching machines to reason?